Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2017 Fiat Abarth. This is the factory hot rod of Fiat. Bright yellow, like 300 miles on it. This thing is just absolutely gorgeous. Got the upgraded brakes. These are a turbo car. They got a great standstill. They just handle tremendously. This one's got the side skirts on it, part of the Abarth package. They're in great shape. Wheels and tires are in great shape. The nose is really nice. It's a nice little car. I'll show you more about it. Looking inside the Abarth, it comes with its own unique seats. They're cloth. Got a red stripe right down the center of it. It is a 5-speed AM FM in and of course. Got 407 miles on it. This is a great little car. Call me on it. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.